Raindrops fall soft against my skin, unnoticed feeling soaking in. Some days life just drags me down. Like a battle lost, I wear a frown. But then I see you, I take my chance, grab my umbrella, I start to dance. Even if my hands are cold, my heart ignites. I'll run to you through the autumn night. Love is running in the rain, smiling through the storm and pain. Even when the wind bites my face, with you every drop feels like grace. Oh, oh, oh. Every drop feels like grace. Oh, 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 oh. Clothes cling wet, my hair is a mess, but being with you, I feel no stress. Every puddle, every step we take turns into a memory we'll make. Even if the world feels gray and slow, your smile makes my heart beat low. Raindrops mingle, our laughter flows through the drizzle. Love only grows. Love is running in the rain, smiling through the storm and pain. Even when the wind bites my face, with you every drop feels like grace. For those who cry today, tomorrow brings a brighter ray. Love's the sun behind the cloud. I'll chase you, I'll be proud. Love is running in the rain, smiling through the storm and pain. Even when the wind bites my face, with you every drop feels like grace. Every drop feels like grace. Autumn rain, but I'm not alone. With you, my heart has found its home. Every drop that falls, every day, love keeps the gray skies away.